Worms. I don't like it. I think the camera's broken. Anyway, good morning guys. This morning we're going to do, well that's a full day thing actually, the Phi Phi Islands.
Look at how swollen she is.
I'm burnt.
She's burnt, I don't know why the face is puffing.
So burnt.
Is that actually what happens when you get...
Yeah, it was like that yesterday.
Actual?
Yeah. We're doing 3 islands from 7 AM till 9 PM. So yeah, let's go. Trying Starbucks shop. I'll let you know how it is. Is it ham and cheese?
Ham and cheddar.
So they haven't got a ham and cheese bagel. So that will review for you.
Not bad. I'm going to eat one knife and fork from my time.
And it's got caramel frappuccino.
Slippers.
It's pretty simple. We're just on our way to, I think, Coron Beach now for the Phi Phi Island tour. He's taking pictures. The tour guy. He looks a bit lost. We've come for some breakfast. Well, it's free, including your entry. It's a little bit of toast and banana. I got chocolate. Oh yeah. Worms? You see it, right? I thought it was just like off.
No.
But at least you enjoyed your first banana.
I'm shaking now.
It's shaking.
I knew it happened to me. Don't eat bananas. Don't eat bananas.
We've come for some... What on the boat now?
What is this?
What? Oh yeah, we've got an hour till the island. Look at my face. It's just getting more and more swollen. Oh my god, he's gonna splash me guys. My biggest fear is drowning right now. I absolutely hate water, Leon don't. Oh my god. I don't know how he's sitting. Look at me.
Right, hold me again.
No, Leon don't. Leon please. He keeps trying to cling onto my life jacket.
Let's go.
Get your own, Leon. No, I'm drowning.
Oh shit, she's drowning.
Oh. We're going over there to take pictures. I think it's Maya Bay right now.
I'm gonna hold on.
Leon, you're not gonna hold on.
I'm holding on. I'm on.
I'm in panic mode. Leon, please stop. Oh my god.
Whatever you do not drop that non-waterproof.
It's waterproof, but I don't trust it. Anyway, I'm gonna take some pictures and then take it straight back because I don't want to die. All right. Leon's having a nosebleed. Now he's scared sharks are gonna come eat him.
Whoa! Just been stabbed. Just been stabbed. Bye.
Look at the view though. Minus Leon trying to survive.
Having a bit of a problem, guys. Lily's got weird eyes.
I literally can't keep them open. I don't know if I'm sunburned, if it's salt water, but
Look at her.
I just can't stop.
Come on then, we're here. And the sun's out. It's the second day, guys. We're broke. We're broken. For 2 weeks.
Come on then guys. I'm not enjoying this at all. The fish are literally like on me. Oh. What's like underwear? Watch, let me see if I can show you. Oh, it's horrible. I'm scared of the fish, Leon. I'm literally touching fish, man.
The taste of it. Taste of that salt water is minging.
Before I let Leon see the footage, I just want to say that was absolutely terrifying to begin with, so I don't care what anyone says. Look at that. Honestly, the waves were so big. There's about 1,000 fish
Did you even get footage
me.
of the fish?
It went under, but I didn't mean to. I was just pure panicking.
Really? Threw your GoPro right under?
Yeah, I was like swimming for my life. My eyes are so sore that
when I put my
couldn't
head
stay
under,
open, so I was
all I
just
saw
panicking.
was about 20 fish trying to eat me.
They was all touching me, I don't like fish.
I'm sure they were touching me.
Same on my belly.
But they are so good at dodging.
So I was just screaming. But it's worse when my eyes couldn't stay open. I was just pure fear.
I need to see it.
And now I've got a sore head.
You close the bag up.
Oh yeah. We're at Phi Phi Island now. Is
And
it?
then we're going
Monkey Dig. Leon won't stop saying that because that's how the guy said
like,
it.
yo, come on.
What?
Vlog it! Vlog it, let's see.
Sorry. Honestly, I cannot see a thing still. I don't know what's happened to me.
Oh, by the way, her eyes. She's not said it 1,000 times. Jeez, yeah.
It's not how annoying it is, you don't understand.
I know, trust me.
Like, I'm
I'm
looking.
annoyed for you.
Got some food to try. I don't know what Leon got.
That's fish. And that's a chili.
I'm trying this like curry sauce with fried rice and then chicken. If I like it, I can get more.
We've got chicken tendies at the end of the road. 400 baht.
100 baht for chicken tenders. But the chicken's a bit dodgy. So
Oh, they look like crispy sun-fried.
yeah.
Best food so far for you.
I'm definitely going back. Eat what
I'm
I
getting
can.
some of that more chicken. Oh, the biggest tourist service. Hello. So cute. You hear it?
Yeah.
There's no need to sit like that. No thank you. I will spare myself the food poisoning.
I just ignore everyone and leave Leon to it because it's so funny.
Just happens. Looks like a toilet there.
20 baht.
20 baht to do a fucking humanly. Whatever. Why are you signing me up?
Because you wouldn't pay 50p for the toilets, but you'll pay £3 for a chair.
Well, yeah, get a chair and I get a piss because I go in the pool.
Anyone guess what Leon's doing currently? Oh, it's getting that guy.
Oh, that's soft
Oh my god, I
sand.
actually scream.
I'm going.
Get him. He's gonna get him. Such an idiot.
Oh, they forgot my sheet.
What's she?
Shake your booty.
Wow.
Oh, sugar,
It's starting to rain. But wow. I don't know about being in the ocean in this rain. Right, should we try and find our way back?
It's raining.
It's proper raining.
It's raining, man. Hallelujah. It's
Oh my god. Got the goods.
got some sweet treat.
Give us a review. Is anyone looking?
Everyone's looking. The girls that don't have emotion. And look at me. Look at all my mess.
You're gonna surf you or what?
Bob Tubby Dozy. That's my review. Mm.
The waves have got everyone locking in.
Oh,
jumping in the air and yet people are asleep. Oh my god. Like, everyone just seems to be locked in.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
You just don't know.
No way.
And then it looks like there's nothing there. And I do too.
We're back from like the longest drive in the world. Took us like 2 hours to get home from traffic. I'm good. But yeah, we're gonna shower and get started. Oh, I knew it'd be freezing in here. Oh my god. Oh, that was my phone. It's fine. Me and Leon have got ready to go out for dinner. Hopefully we find somewhere edible. But yeah. Off on the moped. Have you got everything? He just forgot his key, which he's done like every time.
Oh. Yeah.
Let's go.
Don't sit on it yet.
We just had to watch a YouTube tutorial on how to open the seat because we could not figure it out for the life of us.
Go into like,
I don't think it does. I had to bring a towel because obviously I got stuck and bruised yesterday on it. And it's still bad actually. You like half feel safe on these and half fear for your life. Especially when it's 60 miles an hour on the smallest street. Are you going the beach way?
oh yeah.
We found a nice little strip. Leon's in a mood because he didn't bring his camera and he wants to take pictures.
Oh, I'm just scared. If I thought go back, I might slip into bed and have a big nap.
You're gonna be so mad that every video is just shooting a stupid voice. Anyway, so the first night Leon had a burger, then yesterday had a pizza. Guess what he's gone for today? A burger! And tomorrow I'm gonna have a pizza. I'm trying a curry. My first night curry didn't end well, it had spiders in. Yesterday I asked for nuggets and got wings, so hopefully I just get a curry. Just a curry.
I want a back in your curry.
The picture showed just chicken and sauce.
My feet are on fire.
Yeah, but your feet are bright red.
Yeah.
No, his feet are like red.
Pulsating as we speak.
Anyway, we're gonna get food, take some pictures,
My body wants to shut
get
down.
to bed.
It doesn't want to keep going.
We've been given these for free. One's vegetarian and one's chicken.
So if you're a vegetarian, you can afford.
We didn't see which. Yours is chicken. They always use this sweet chili sauce and it's proper spicy. You got the veg one, didn't you? Oh, the chicken's dodgy though. Is it chicken?
That's quite nice.
What is it?
But that sauce is brilliant.
Out of 10?
Give me a good 8. That's very nice, bro.
But
Too nice.
But I've got the chicken one. I've wanted vegetable spring rolls every day and no, it doesn't. Apart from one dodgy little
That's actually really nice. There's more.
Mine's veg.
Beautiful.
Maybe he said not
maybe
chicken,
no chicken, yeah.
vegetarian. I don't want it, but I can eat them.
Lily approves. Fun fact. Octopuses have 3 hearts. just doesn't look like it's run out of your asshole.
The odd spoon and a curry with no insects.
Oh, actually. Yeah. No, it's on that side of it, aren't you?